Assalamualaikum Shamir.
Salam teacher.
Okay, Assalamualaikum bete. Let all the students join. Then we will start the class. Okay, still 5 minutes are left. Today I will also guide you how to submit your file through University. Okay, I'll be guiding you how to submit your assignment through University. Today I will guide you online. Is this clear? Okay, I'm waiting for the student to join me. Zainab Zafar, I want you to please open the video of yours. Bete, are you all listening to me?
Yes.
Okay. Hasi, bete, unmute yourself. Did you get the last topic, bete?
No. वो मेरा
Okay, Zainab, I want you to please recite the Quranic verses. Then after that, we will start the class. Is it possible for you to recite? Bete?
Yes.
Okay, continue, bete.
Teacher, your voice is not clear.
Bete, any Quranic verses, recite right now.
Okay. 1 minute, teacher. मम्मा क्लास के बाद खा लूंगा। أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس صدق الله العظيم.
Okay. The last topic which we did, it's about preposition. So what
Yes.
was preposition, my dear? Preposition
Yes.
was work as the bridge word, and its major function is to create relationship. We place preposition before noun or pronoun to create its relationship with other words. Is this clear?
Yes.
After that,
Yes.
in second class, we have done kinds of preposition. Simple preposition, double preposition, and compound preposition.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Simple preposition consists of only one preposition. Clear?
Double preposition contains only two prepositions. Yes.
Very good.
Double
Kumair
preposition
Begin. Very
contains
good.
only two.
Double preposition
Two
consists
and
of
more. Contain two and more than two.
not more than two, but
Two
only
or
two
more than two.
preposition. Only two preposition create double preposition.
Yes. Yes.
Words more than two create compound preposition. Clear it?
Okay. Yes.
Preposition and more than two words create
Yes.
compound preposition.
Okay.
Walaikum salam.
Yes.
How are you, my dear?
It's enough. मुझे दादी की कॉल आ रही है.
Okay. Better try to leave each and everything. Right now you are having the class, so please focus on the class. Okay. We did preposition. Its function is to create relationship. After that, we did simple preposition and double preposition and compound preposition. All the difference are clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm sharing a screen right now.
Okay.
Okay, are you able to look at my screen?
Yes.
Today we'll be doing usage of the free preposition. Like, for example, how can we use in front of, behind, and where we have to use these prepositions? What we will do?
Yes.
Today?
Yes.
We will study the usage. How can we use different preposition in different manner?
Yes.
Is this clear?
Yes.
This is our today's topic, the usage of preposition.
Yes.
Okay. Preposition of time. It indicate time. It talk about time.
Time.
Here,
Yes.
for example,
Yes.
I came on Saturday. Here, I
Yes.
reached school at 7 a.m.
Yes.
So here, at
Yes.
and on, indicating time. Is this clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Preposition of place. It indicates position and place. What it does?
Yes.
It indicates
indicates
position
place,
and place.
And place.
The function of preposition of time is to indicate time, and preposition
Place.
of place indicate position and place. What it does?
And place.
What it does?
Position and place. Preposition and place.
Very good. Okay. Now look at these prepositions which I'm showing you on screen. Look at that. In front of. Where do we use in front of? When something is in front of us. जब कोई चीज हमारे सामने होती है, the object or the person, we use in front of. Where do we use in front of? When the person
Yes.
and the object is
When the
in front of
person
you.
and the object.
जी,
in
आपके
front
आगे
of you.
आपके सामने कुछ हो. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Here we use preposition in front of. It is compound preposition. Which preposition it is?
Compound.
Yes. Okay. Look at the second preposition, behind. When something is at the back of you, I will use behind. What will I use?
Behind.
Very good. जब कोई
Behind.
चीज मेरे पीछे होगी, at the back part, so I will use behind over there. What will I use over there?
Behind.
Very good. I'll be using behind because something is at the back of me. Whether the person or any object that is at the back of me, I'll be using behind. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, between, among, these are also two prepositions when I talk about two person and something is placed in between them.
Okay.
And something is placed in between them, between two person. I'll be using between. For example, two person are standing and in center someone किसी के बीच में होना. Over there we use between. But if someone is among you, it means वो आपके दरमियान है. Yes, bete, who is speaking?
Miss Aisha.
Yes, my dear Aisha, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes.
Aisha, I'm asking you, my dear.
Yes.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Bete, check your internet connection and then say, bete, just check out your internet connection. Okay, where do we use between and among? When we talk about something,
When we talk about
when
something,
something is in center of two person. ठीक है, जब दो लोगों के बीच में कोई चीज हो. Is this clear?
yes.
Between. जब बहुत सारे लोगों के दरमियान होगी, so we will use among.
Okay. Yes. Yes, miss.
What do we do that? We use among.
Among. Yes.
Okay. Okay, in front is clear to you, in front of?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Behind,
Yes. Yes.
between,
Yes, teacher.
among.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I'm moving forward. Next to. Next to and beside. When something is
Yes.
at your right side or left side. जब कोई चीज आपके सीधे हाथ में उल्टे हाथ में सामने होगी, so you will say it is next to me. For example, if someone sitting in next chair, so you will say he is next to me. Is this clear?
Okay.
Or besides me?
Yes.
Clear? Beside
Yes.
and next to both are synonym of each other. They both are same. Beside and next to. Where do we use that?
Yes.
When something is placed beside you. बिल्कुल सामने आपके right पे या left पे कोई
जहाँ
हो.
पे right और left पे जो कोई चीज
Yes.
पड़ी हो जैसे कि book वो
Whether it's
हर
object or a
face
person.
wall.
Yes. Whether the chair is placed next to you or the person is standing next to you. For example, in the class when you sit together, all the chairs are placed together now. So whosoever is sitting next to you, he is your classmate. Is that clear?
Yes.
Very good. Now near and close to. जब कोई चीज आपके करीब होती है, ठीक है, we use next, we use near or close to. What do we use at the time?
Near and close. Near and close.
It's not, ये आपके सामने नहीं, ये आपके करीब है. Little bit near है.
Near.
Very good. So close to and near both are similar.
Same.
Is this clear? Okay.
मींस क्योंकि नियर का मतलब है कि
Near means
करीब
कोई चीज आपके करीब हो.
आ रही है.
It's a little distance you are having. For example, आपके चेयर के साथ थोड़ा सा करीब कोई और चीज भी रखी है या कोई चीज, person is sitting over there or any object is placed near to you.
मींस आपकी आवाज
Are you able to hear me? Am I audible better now?
लेकिन
Now are you able to hear me? Yes, Umar. Hello.
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Near to and
Hello.
close to is clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. I'm moving forward. On. Where do we use on? On can also talk about preposition of time and preposition of place as well. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Because
Yes.
when I talk about time, for example, I came to Karachi on Saturday. Here on is indicating time.
Okay.
But when I say the cup is on the table, so here the bottle is kept on the table. So here it is describing the position. Is this clear?
Okay. Yes, teacher.
Again, I'm repeating the example. On is a preposition. It indicates time as well, and it indicates position
Okay.
as well. If I say the bottle is kept on the table, so here it is indicating position. When I say the office will be open on Saturday, so it means it is indicating time.
Indicating time.
Very good, Bete.
Okay.
Did you understand that?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I'm moving forward. Now, above.
Above,
Above
over.
and over. किसी चीज के ऊपर कोई चीज होती है ना? For example,
Yes.
the sun is over the floor. They
Yes.
put an umbrella over the table to avoid heat from the sun rays. आप किसी
Okay.
के ऊपर कोई चीज रखते हैं, over. For example, they put an umbrella over the table. उन्होंने umbrella टेबल के ऊपर रखा.
ऊपर रखा है.
किस लिए? धूप से बचने के लिए, सूरज की शुआओं से बचने के लिए. Am I clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very good. So here we are using over. जब कोई चीज हमने उसके ऊपर रखी है और ऊपर है उसके. Okay, above. Above we also use. We are using in this manner like something is little bit high, higher than a reference point. Something is placed up high above the wall. The object
Teacher?
is placed little bit high on the place. So I'll be using over
Yes.
here. The portrait is above the wall or is high above the wall. Is this clear?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Under and below. The both are same, which we use for the lower level. Whether it's
Yes.
a person or something, कोई object है या कोई person है, it really not matter. But कोई चीज जब नीचे होगी ना बेटे, for example, the cat is under the table.
तो अंदर
Yes.
अंदर कहेंगे.
A river flows under the bridge, under a bridge. So वो उसके नीचे से गुजर रहा है. जो दरिया है, वो bridge के नीचे से गुजर रहा है. The cat sits under the table. यानी उसके नीचे बैठी है टेबल के. Is this clear? Is this clear, my dear? Hello, am I audible to you all? Okay, I'm moving forward.
आपका नेट सही नहीं चल रहा.
जी बेटे. The last one, clear.
टीचर जैनब तुम होस्ट हो. जैनब टीचर तुम होस्ट हो. जैनब होस्ट है. हाँ हाँ तू थोड़ी ना बोल रहा. मैं टीचर लीव करके वापस आ रही है. जैनब अब्बास है. जैनब होस्ट मिस आ रही हैं. ज्वाइन किया तुम करो.
जी बेटे, topic is clear.
Yes. Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, my dear.
Excuse me, teacher, can you WhatsApp this worksheet?
Definitely, bete. I'll be making you understand each and everything, and the whole each and every lecture I'll be mailing you. No need to worry about it.
Okay.
The whole MS Word.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
But first of all, you have to understand this.
Yes.
Understand the complete lecture.
Yes.
Okay. Again, I'm sharing my screen. Are you able to look at it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Off. There are two off. OFF and OF.
Off.
Is this clear?
Okay.
One is off.
Yes.
OFF. When
Yes.
you switch off
Off.
the fan. Is this clear?
Yes.
It's something else. An up donates organ or cost. It is something else. Is this clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now I'm moving forward to. To is a preposition we use in infinitive sentence, and after that we use verb forms like the first form, like
Okay.
I have to take my class,
Okay.
I came to university. In this manner we can use these prepositions. Is this clear?
Yes. Yes.
I'm reviewing the whole lecture. I want everyone, if you still have any confusion, please let me know. Yes, my dear.
Miss,
Ji bete.
teacher, my net is not working and I do not found your ID. That's why I cannot join your.
But you are here in the class, my dear.
Teacher.
Now you join now.
Yes, teacher. मगर अब lecture नहीं समझ में आया. Lecture नहीं पढ़ा.
No problem. I'm starting the whole lecture again. I'm reviewing it. So I want you to
Okay.
kindly understand and listen it properly. Is this clear?
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Today we have done preposition and its usage. How can we use different preposition in different manner? Is this clear what we did today?
Yes.
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 We did different usage. Okay, I'm starting the first one. In front of. जब कोई चीज आपके सामने आगे होती है, we use in front of.
Okay.
Clear? For example,
Yes.
my sister is sitting or standing in front of me. क्योंकि वो मेरे आगे और सामने है. Is this clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Yes.
कोई चीज हमारे पीछे होती है, at the back. So we use behind. Clear?
Yes.
For example, the table is behind me or at the back of me. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. Third preposition, between and among. They both are a little bit similar. But between, where do we use? जब हम दो लोगों के बीच की बात कर रहे
जब हम
होते
दो लोगों के बीच में
हैं,
बात कर रहे
something
हैं तब उसको
is
कहते हैं
in center of two person.
two
Clear?
people.
We use between.
Yes. Okay.
But जब हम बहुत सारे लोगों के दरमियान की बात करते हैं ना, at that time we use among.
Okay.
Clear? Between for two person
Yes.
and among for
Yes.
so many. Clear? जब बहुत सारे लोगों के
Yes.
दरमियान. For example, the boy is good among all. वो सब के दरमियान अच्छा है.
Yes.
If I'm saying the girl is an intelligent between you two, तो इसका मतलब है इन दोनों के बीच में वो लड़की अच्छी है, इन दोनों के बीच में. Okay, I'm moving forward now. Next to and beside. Next to and beside.
Okay.
कोई चीज आपके right या left पे सामने हो, या आपके सीधे हाथ पे सामने हो, या उल्टे हाथ पे. Clear? I'll be using here is beside me, or
Hello.
Anna is standing beside me or sitting beside me. Clear? Or she is sitting next to me. क्यों मेरे सामने बैठी है, मेरे बाद बैठी है। क्लियर? ये पीछे की बात नहीं है, ये आपके राइट या लेफ्ट की बात है। इज दिस क्लियर? Yes, are you all able
Yes.
to listen to me?
Yes.
Okay, near and close to. जब कोई चीज
Yes.
आपके करीब होती है, when something is near or close to you.
Yes, teacher.
जैनब तुम होस्ट तो फिर
मिस जैनब होस्ट है। जैनब
अच्छा
Yes.
जैनब जफर हेलो
Participants are. Hey, teacher. क्या?
इसकी तो आवाज ही नहीं आ रही, समझ कैसे आएगा? हेलो मिस, हेलो।
Yes, my dear. Now are you able to listen to me?
Yes, teacher.
Some
We are
technical
able.
issue at my end because today we don't have electricity and I am managing it now. So really sorry for the inconvenience.
Thank you,
The
teacher.
topic is clear to you?
मिस इट्स ओके। यस मिस इट्स ओके, इट्स
Yes,
ओके।
teacher.
मिस
Jazakallah.
हर किसी की प्रॉब्लम होती है।
Okay, no issue, bete. The topic is clear to you?
Yes.
यस
Near and close to is clear?
यस
Yes. Teacher, your voice is not coming.
Near and
आ
close.
तो रही है
Clear,
मुझको।
bete. Now are you able to hear me? Now check your internet.
ये
Yes.
सबकी आवाज आ रही है।
Miss, we can hear your voice.
Okay, bete. Now on.
हंसने वाला है, हंसना तो हाँ।
Indicates time and position as well. जब हम किसी जगह की बात करते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल
Okay.
कोई चीज आपकी ऊपर रखी है किसी जगह पर, तो हम यूज करते हैं push on. It also indicates time as well. For example, the office will be open on Saturday. Here I'm indicating time. But when I'm discussing about the place, the position, I'll be using in this manner. The bottle is kept on the table. Here I'm using on as preposition of position. Am I clear?
यस
Okay. I'm moving forward. Under and below. जब कोई चीज नीचे रखी होती है, we use under and below. For the lower level, when something or someone is at lower level, at a lower level, in नीचे हो. Is this clear?
Yes.
A river flows under a bridge. दरिया कहाँ
Yes,
बह रहा है?
teacher.
ब्रिज के, पुल के नीचे. Is this clear?
Yes.
The cat sits under the table. बिल्ली कहाँ बैठी है?
ओके
मेज के
Under the table.
Under
the table.
above and over. It represents higher position, higher point. For example, अब कोई चीज ऊपर है, the sand is over the floor, or I am putting an umbrella over the table to avoid heat from the sun rays. सूरज की शुआओं से बचने के लिए what I did, I put an umbrella over the table. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, my dear. Now I'm moving forward. Okay, I think I have discussed all of, up or off. Describes off is
मिस नो प्रपोजिशन क्या है?
talk about it donates separation. For example, I switch off the fan, and off we use for different cause or organ. Is this clear?
Okay. Yes.
No such as
The topic is clear to all of you. Today we have done few preposition usage. What we did today?
मिस आप
Whole lecture I'll be mailing you.
मिस की वो अटैक करे मिस का
नेट बहुत स्लो आ रहा है।
Okay.
टीचर का नेट नहीं चल रहा।
Now, bete, are you able to hear me? Now, bete, I will show you how to share your assignment through a university. Are you able to listen to me? Hello, everyone. Hello. Am I audible, my dear? Am I audible, dear? Shamir, are you able to hear me? Hello? I think again there is a technical issue. Umar, are you able to hear me? Okay, now I'm sharing a screen. How can you share homework? How can you submit your assignment through university? That I'll be guiding you. Now look at that. Look at this. You will first log in. After signing in, you have to go to homework section. When you go to homework section, you have to go to add your file. Here is your homework, and here you will be adding add file. So this option will be open. Add file. Are you able to listen to me? Okay, here you have to upload your assignment or your file so that it will come to me. In this manner, I'll be receiving your file. Is this clear, everyone? Yes, Shamir. Better send a message, please. Yes, Shamir. Shamir, I'm unable to listen you. Please message me through chat. I'm unable to get your voice. Beta, I want all the students to write your name and write present teacher and message me. For example, Umar, Air 5, red or green, present teacher. Kindly message me, all the students. You should message me. Farwa, Asifat, everyone, do message me with your name, your class section, and present teacher. Do it. We have only 1-2 minutes to end the class. Kindly message me quickly. Shamir, please. Quickly ask the question, my dear. I'm listening. Only 2 minutes are left, dear. Hello, Shamir. Bitte, you are having next class as well, my dear. Hello. Okay, very good. Better in the same manner, Shamir, you have to upload the file. Is this clear? All the time I'll be giving you different homework. Okay, beta, the class time is ended. You can message me through University. I can listen your query till 5 to 6. It's my timing. I'm online in University. I use University, and at the time I'll be online 5 to 6. 5 to 6 p.m. You can submit your all query in University. Is this clear? Now my class time ended. Allah Hafiz everyone. Take care of yourself. And sorry for the inconvenience today. I was having some technical issue. Allah Hafiz everyone.